girl.
You gonna pick out a pumpkin, Kylie?
Are you gonna pick out a pumpkin, maybe? No, get a nice one. Do you want a big one or a little one? A little one? Okay, over here. Over here. Come on. Look at all the little ones in there, baby. Look at all those. Look at this one. Wow. That's a nice one. Yeah, in a minute. Do you want to pick one of these pumpkins? Careful. Okay. You want that one? Okay, show Papa.
That's a big one. Wow. I'm surprised you can